울지마요. 울지마요. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 울지마요. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 302. 울지마요. This is pronounced as a four-syllable word. The first syllable is ul, second syllable is ji, third syllable is ma, and fourth syllable is yo. Pronounce it with me. 울지마요. 울지마요. The word 울지마요 is a polite or casual way of saying don't cry. Again, 울지마요 means don't cry. If you're familiar with the word 울지마, it has a very similar meaning with 울지마요. They both mean don't cry. But 울지마요 is more polite. How do you write 울지마요 in Hangul? This is composed of four syllables. For the first syllable ul, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder iyang, followed by the u character, followed by a real character. For the second syllable ji, we need to draw first a jiat character, followed by an e character. For the third syllable ma, we need to draw first a miyam character, followed by an a character. And for the last syllable yo, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder iyang, followed by the yo character itself. So that's how we will write each of these four syllables. And in order to write 울지마요 as a whole in Hangul, we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these four syllables. And with that, you've just learned 울지마요. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 292 to 301. But don't forget, our word for the day, word number 302, 울지마요, which means don't cry. The first word for our review is word number 301, 맛있어요, which means delicious. Next word for our review is 색, which means color. Next word is 딸기, which means strawberry. Next word for our review is 베프, which means best friend. Next word for our review is 모자, which means hat or cap. Next word for our review is 차이다, which means to be dumped or to be kicked. Next word is 취미, which means hobby. Next word for our review is 함께, which means together. The next word for our review is 치마, which means skirt. And the last word for our review is 물고기, which means fish. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.